Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to check description on YouTube. So, let's dive right in. On a mobile device, open the YouTube app on your mobile device by tapping on the YouTube icon. Play your desired video by tapping on its thumbnail. Look for the three dots, along with the word More, located just below the video. Here, you can view the description of your video. On a laptop or desktop, the procedure on a desktop is similar to that on a mobile device. Open the YouTube app or website on your laptop. Play your desired video by clicking on its thumbnail. Scroll down and click on the three dots, along with the word More, located just below the video. Here, you can view the description of your video. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.